Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. So you can see I'm outside, and you know what that means? Well, I'm gonna tell you. We are going on vacation, woo, woo. And we're going with the Phillips. So I need to get my trunk ready, and we need to get going. So this is when I'm like, oh, it's like my trunk is a puzzle, and I gotta put all the pieces together. And it's quite sunny out here. Vegas has been super hot, like 110. And we're going to southern Utah like we always do, and it's about 104. There's Ezzy. Are you so excited? Yeah. So my neighbors have like the worst dogs. Anyways, Jonas woke up with quite a little headache, and he's not feeling well. So I'm hoping some Tylenol will help with that, but mom life. But I'm super excited, and we can't wait to go. So it'll be fun because we always have a really great time with the Phillips. So we do it every year, and this is probably like our 4th year now doing it. Oh, I can't even remember now. So we have a great time. So let me just get this trunk all packed up and ready to go. Hey, Ezra, let's see that shirt. What's it say?
Let's root for each other.
That's right. All right, we're starting to get things in and making some progress. So these are for when we go hiking. And then I have some food that can go right here. But we're not leaving for like another hour, so maybe I'll wait. Are you so excited?
Yes.
What do you want to do the most?
Go in the pool.
That's what every kid wants to do. Go swimming.
I got new goggles yesterday.
What'd you get?
New goggles.
New goggles. So you want to try them out?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. I got everything in there. Plus, I have a present to give to my mother-in-law. So maybe that'll be in our plans while we're up there. But it all fits. It always does. So I am in the back seat. It's only a 2-hour trip. So let's get this party started. Hi, Kobe. Hi, Kobe. Hey, Kobe.
Say hello to your mother. Hello.
Let's go get the Phillips. So we're all set. We got the Phillips behind us somewhere. And in a couple hours, we'll be in St. George. Yeah, it'll be great. Great fun. So we're going to, I think, the Jacob Hamblin house. Have you ever been there? You haven't been there, right?
I think I have.
You have? No, we've done the other one, the other house. This one is on the other side of St. George. So I think we're going there first with some lunch. Really?
Fun.
Is that so?
There's some Blackhawks out there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it on here. We're near a military base. And so every time we drive through here, we always see some really cool stuff in the sky. Ooh, look at these jets. So awesome. It's raining right now. Oh, Atlanta. Of course, Paul washes the car and it is raining. No. We have arrived. Okay, thank you. When they make the tortillas. So cool. So this time I just got the chicken tortilla soup. So good. And it comes with their yummy tortillas. And then the boys over there just got pretty much quesadillas and little tacos. But Paul always loves getting...
The tostada?
What? I can't see.
Tostada.
The tostada. But he always gets a corn tortilla on the bottom. And then we always get chips and queso because the boys love it. Did you have a good lunch?
Yes.
Do you feel nice and full? So next stop is going to be a little bit outside of St. George. We're going to go see an old house.
Yes.
Yes. Looks like our boys are ready. We're all ready, it looks like. Yay! So we're on our way to now go see a old home that's got like some Latter-day Saint, Mormon, pioneer heritage. So it's going to be super cute. I already can feel it. Or not. We'll just go see it anyways. We are approaching the house of Jacob Hamblin. It's kind of cool. So we're just approaching this beautiful home with some historical content, and we'll probably learn about. And look at, there's the potty. Paul.
You can't run across. You can't go on the ground.
Because we have
Tina's jumping the story here.
Sorry. Jumping the storyline.
Okay. So here, basically, this is one of the bedrooms. There was 2 bedrooms.
You recorded the same time?
Yeah. They had a hard face.
Historic stairs.
Why are they so like?
High up. Holy cannoli, look at these stairs.
They had little feet back then too.
Oh my.
Mom, this isn't your hood.
Dang, this is big.
Wow. You hear that? You hear that sound? Sounds like electricity, huh? Those are cicadas. They're crazy out here in the desert. They love it out here. But how long does it take for them to hatch an egg?
7 years. They are their eggs are in the ground, and the larva develops and comes out of the ground 7 years later. And
7 years.
when they hatch, you'll see a bunch of little holes in the dirt.
Yeah, they're pretty loud too. So in California, I don't remember having them when I was there, and I remember there was a book that had a picture of a cicada, and I said I would read it to my preschoolers as a cicada. Yeah, when you just don't see them or know, you don't really know.
Yeah, I had to learn her.
Cicada, I learned. Well, that was fun. It was a short little spiel of the history of Jacob Hamblin. I just think he's kind of like one of those original pioneers to the southern Utah Valley. So it's kind of neat and interesting. The house was pretty cool looking, huh?
There's steep stairs.
Yeah, it's really hot and humid because there's clouds, and it's still really hot because it's the desert. And we're just glad to be in the air
summer.
conditioning. Now we're heading over to Walmart just to pick up a couple of things before we go check in the hotel. All right, we just pulled up to the hotel, and it is so nice. It's brand new. It's in Virgin, Utah, and it is called the Fairfield Marriott. I have to show you. We just checked in. The room is super big and spacious. These are king-size beds, which are perfect for families. There is a little station over here, a little microwave, and then a little fridge, freezer. It's tiny, so that's kind of a bummer because I brought stuff to put in the fridge. And then there's like a small little closet space here. So it's everything that we need. You can hang some stuff. So it's a little bit like smaller sized with the amenities, which is fine. It's not a big deal. But it's so pretty, nice and spacious. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. It's a brand new facility too. So if you're ever in Zion, this is like about 15 minutes away from Zion National Park, 15 minutes from Springdale. So this is really a great option, maybe even a little bit less expensive maybe per night. So as he's ready to go swimming, and so are we. So am I. We are now at the pool. Look at how awesome. This pool here is like a little kiddie one, so it doesn't get any deeper than like 1.5 feet or so, which I love. And then this pool over here looks like it goes to about 5-6 feet or so. So it's perfect. Can't wait to jump in. And you know me jumping in, that means I'm going to be carefully walking in. So we're all done. We're going to be heading to get ready. We're going to just kind of start winding down our evening. Can you believe it is 7:45 and it's so bright outside? But we're just going to get changed up, showered with all that, and then we're going to play some games. It'll be so fun. We love our games and we love playing with the Phillips, so need to go get ready. So Azzy, what was your favorite part of the pool?
Jumping game.
Oh yeah, is that like your first times?
Yes.
You and Emberlyn were jumping in and it was so fun.
The last time we did it, but I did another one after that. We both did at the same time.
Yeah, that was cool. So I am back at the room, and while everyone's getting ready and showering, I have a few minutes. I thought I would do this. Just getting ready for tomorrow. We're going on a little walk and a hike. So I'm just getting some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches that I can just put in the fridge right now. So done with that part, and then it'll be so much easier to pack up our packs for tomorrow because the lunch will be done. All done with showers. I'm in my pajamas. You can tell I'm ready for bed, but we're in the lobby. We're gonna play some games, and first up, Rummy Cube. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever played this game. It's so fun, and Paul is really good at it.
Master Griller.
Master Griller.
Master Rummy Cuber.
We're getting close to a winner. Who will it be?
Not Paul.
Probably not me. I have so many tiles. Maybe Tina.
3 times.
All has 3. But look, I just wanted to show you guys. They were just playing so nicely and hanging out. And look at over there. Everybody's just playing so nicely.
Let's see what I can do.
We started the next game. We are big fans of Yahtzee. And I don't know what we're going to do, Tina, if we can't
that's
yell
a
and
small
hoot and holler if we get a
We're
Yahtzee.
still gonna. Let's face it, we can't control it.
Ooh. He just got a silent Yahtzee.
Alright, you guys. Danny just got a silent Yahtzee. I feel like we should still yell though. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes! So we just said goodnight to our boys. They're just right next door. We're just deadbeat. Had such a good day. And I hope to sleep well tonight. These beds look so comfy. It was so fun to go and just hang around with the Phillips. And we are just going to have lots of fun days ahead of us as well. So stick around. You just never know. Well, actually, you'll be knowing what I'm coming out with, rolling out next. Good night, everybody.